Now, electron donating groups like OH group or amine groups or alkyl groups, they are electron donating groups. They are donating the electron. They are, for example, here I have taken aromatic carboxylic acid. This OH group is a electron donating group. This oxygen atom donating electron and it is releasing electron into the ring, and as a result of this one, here the negative charge is increased inside the aromatic ring, and here this negative charge intensifying the negative charge appear on the oxygen atom, and due to this the negative charge intensifying on the carboxylic acid decreasing the release of proton, and they are decreasing the acidity or strength of acid strength of carboxylic acid. They are decreasing the acid strength of carboxylic acid. Electron donating groups, they are releasing electrons, and due to these extra electrons, the negative charge is intensified. They are increasing the negative charge, and due to this, they are not facilitating the releasing the proton. They are not facilitating the release of proton, and they are decreasing the acidity. And in case of electron withdrawing groups, they are withdrawing the, for example, NO2 group or chlorine or any electronegative functional groups. They are withdrawing the electrons, and they are decreasing the density of electrons on oxygen atom. That is, carboxylate ion is less facing the electronegativity. In case of electron withdrawing groups, these electron withdrawing groups are decreasing the density of carboxylate ion, and now they are facilitating the release of proton, and they are increasing the strength of carboxylic acid. Now these are the alkyl chains. This carboxylic acid is acetic acid which contains only one methyl group. Methyl group acts as a electron donating group, and they are intensifying the negative charge on carboxylate ion. In case of this is the propionic acid, and this propionic acid contains two methyl groups. These two methyl groups are electron donating groups. Due to electron donating inductive effect, this is an electron donating inductive effect, they are intensifying the negative charge on carboxylic acid. And in this case, we have the three electron donating groups, 1, 2, 3. Three electron donating groups, they are donating electrons, and they are intensifying the negative charge on carboxylate ion, and they are decreasing these electron donating groups. If you are increasing electron donating groups, the acidity of carboxylic acid is decreased. Now the acidity of this propionic acid is less than the acidity of acetic acid, because it contains only one electron donating group, and here we have two electron donating groups, and here we have three electron donating groups. If you are increasing the electron donating groups, the acidity of the strength of acid is decreased. Now, in case of this case, chlorine atom attached to the methyl group, and it is nearer to the carboxylic acid, and this electron, it is an electron withdrawing functional group, and here it attracts and it decreases the electron density on carboxylate ion, and it stabilizes the carboxylic acid, and they are increasing the acid strength of carboxylic acid. If electron withdrawing group is far from the carboxylic acid, the electron withdrawal effect of electron withdrawing group is decreased, and the strength of acidity is also decreased. This chlorine atom is nearer to the carboxylic acid, and electron withdrawal effect is more. In this case, the electron withdrawing group is far from the carboxylic acid functional group, and here the inductive effect is decreased with increasing the alkyl chain. And this chlorine electron withdrawing group is far from the carboxylic acid compared to this molecule, and the electron withdrawal effect of chlorine is decreased because we have the alkyl functional groups. Now you see the three compounds. This compound contain only one electron withdrawing group, and this compound contain, this is dichloroacetic acid, contains two electron withdrawing group, and the trichloroacetic acid contains three electron donating groups. And here if you are increasing the electron donating group, the acid strength of the carboxylic acid is increased. And the chloroacetic acid is less acidic than dichloroacetic acid. Dichloroacetic acid is less acidic than trichloroacetic acid. If you speak in a reverse manner, trichloroacetic acid is more acidic than the dichloroacetic acid and chloroacetic acid, and dichloroacetic acid is more acidic than the chloroacetic acid. This is the effect of substituents on acidity of carboxylic acid. Case 1, electron donating groups. Electron donating groups are intensifying the negative charge on carboxylate, and they are not facilitating the release of proton. Electron withdrawing groups, they are decreasing the electronegativity on carboxylate ion, and they are facilitating the release of protons, and they are increasing the acid strength. In this case, if you are increasing the alkyl chains, length of the alkyl chain, more electron donating groups, alkyl groups are electron donating groups, they are decreasing the, if you are increasing the if you are substituting more electron donating groups, the acid strength is decreased. And in this case,